Do you have a Nissan 4.0 V6 vehicle that's got a check engine light on? If you've read the code, it could be P0100, P0101, 102, 103, or P0104. These are all related to the mass airflow sensor, and they're critical in having your engine running correctly. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily change that mass airflow sensor. Alright, to start, I'm going to show you exactly where it is. They're always located pretty close to the air box, and this one is right here. Here's an up-close view. You have two screws holding it in, there and there. You have a wire harness right here. All you do is push down on this black tab, pull straight up to disconnect. Try to be careful, make sure you don't drop these two screws. And this is going to pull straight out. And here is the part number for the Nissan brand mass airflow sensor. Now, I've bought some Chinese ones off Amazon and put those in other cars and don't have very good luck with them. So stick with a good brand name. You might have to pay a little bit more, but you're going to be better off in the long run. Now, one way to know that you're going to install this correctly is you see these little two tabs right here. Those are going to go on the top side. You don't want to insert it this way. We're going to insert it from the back this way. Now go ahead and tighten up the two Phillips screws holding the new mass airflow sensor in place. Don't want to over tighten, all you gotta do is make it snug. Thing you want to watch out for, there is a small little gasket right here. You just want to make sure that the old one is not left in there before installing the new one. Now just plug in the wire harness. Make sure you hear a snap. Now if your check engine light was on and you don't have a code reader to reset it, you might have to drive it about 10 minutes for it to read the new airflow sensor, and then it will reset and turn off on its own. Hopefully you have smooth idle, good acceleration, and better fuel consumption. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and thanks for watching.